Seeking buyers. Below market value. Premium ocean view 328 square meters residential lot for sale in CAMAYA Coast MENARA Point. Property details. Located in Station 1 MENARA Point, CAMAYA Coast-MARIVELES, Dapiton. Total lot area 328 square meters. Approved lot plan, Block 20 Lot 71. Lot type. Premium, ocean overlooking. Property title. On hand, ready, and clean. Nearby phase. Tandatangan Golf Course, price per square meter, $27,000. Mode of payment. Preferably, cash, open for bank financing, 2-3 hours drive to and from Manila. Perfect for retirement or primary home, investment or Airbnb. Selling price. $6,500,000 below market price, negotiable. Current market price per square meter, $25,000. Amenities and facilities. Beach, world-class water park, infinity pool, golf course and golf lounge, boardwalk, biking trails, kayak, spa and gym, shops and restaurant. MENARA Point is a CAMAYA Coast Station 1, the inaugural project launched in 2010 by CAMAYA Coast, originally offered early residential properties that were the foundation of this stunning beachside development. Over the years, CAMAYA Coast has evolved into a vibrant resort destination with a plethora of modern facilities and amenities, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of its residents and guests. The current offerings at CAMAYA Coast Station 1 include luxurious hotels, a variety of food outlets, upscale restaurants, a thrilling water theme park, an esteemed golf course, and exclusive residential subdivisions. This holistic development allows residents and visitors alike to experience a perfect blend of comfort, leisure, and natural beauty, making it an ideal place to create lasting memories and enjoy a truly immersive coastal lifestyle. For more details, free viewing and reservation assistance, contact Iggy Estrera Dapiton 3, PRCDHSUD accredited real estate salesperson. MC Fam Realty.